What's wrong, Mark? Ever since we finished our mechanical engineering degree, we've been looking for CNC jobs, but no company is willing to hire us because of lack of experience. Why don't we take a course or undergo training in any company then? Don't remind me. Most of the training isn't beneficial because they're afraid of damaging the machine due to its high cost, and they're also concerned about our safety because of the significant risks involved. We end up standing in front of one machine, barely getting hands-on experience. And if a company graciously trains you, it would probably be on very old equipment, not like what's used in companies and factories nowadays. Don't worry, engineers, because CAD/CAM Teacher, in collaboration with RenAn, has solved these problems in just 30 days. Why are you surprised? We offer a simulation course for CNC machines that allows you to work and train on the machine from your home, using your computer as if you were working on the machine precisely. We'll bring the factory to your doorstep without any risks, and no one will tell you to be careful. With internationally accredited certification from RenAn, you'll gain practical experience and an international certificate from the comfort of your home. Ask the engineers who have taken our course and were able to work directly in the largest companies and factories afterward. We'll also provide you with data for the most important companies and factories in the CNC field where you can apply after completing the course.